The first step is getting Claude Code set up on your computer. Go to claude.com using the link in the description below and pick the Pro plan. Right now, as I'm recording this, it's only $20 per month, and that's going to cover everything we need for this video. Get yourself signed up, and I'll skip past the boring stuff. Once you're logged in the bottom left corner of the page, click the download icon. Navigate to the Claude Code section, download the desktop app version, then open the file to run the installer. Once you get it installed, open the desktop app, then sign in. At this point, I need to mention, depending on when you watch this video, the actual software interface might look different for you than it does for me here. Claude gets updated regularly, so if things don't look the exact same, don't panic. Just try to understand the general concepts I'm explaining and apply them to how the software looks when you're using it. When you get signed in, switch from chat mode to code mode. In my app, that tab is available in the upper left. Alternatively, you can also press Command 3 on your keyboard on a Mac or Control 3 on Windows to switch to code mode. Claude Code works best when it has its own folder to live in. Create one anywhere on your computer, then click the Folder Select button near the chat box, and select your new folder to open it inside the app. That folder is going to be your workspace for this project from now on. Alright, that's the setup done.